welcome back to my channel. Ganun data ng energy, and today I'm in the kitchen because it's a Monday. Alam niyo naman, it's a Monday and walang pasok. There's not much going on sa restaurant. So ngayon, dito na kami nagla-lunch ni Baby Boy, by the way. Every time we're here, pagdating namin, saka pala kami mag-prepare ng lunch. So it helps me also in my fasting. If halata mang nagpa-fasting ako.
Fasting kumain.
Yes, fast. Very fast kumain. But Kenneth is also here. Kasi today we're going to Minami. We also have a new sale. In ilang days lang, no?
True.
In a short span of time, siguro 3 days. Pero feeling ko mahaba na kasi dapat everyday may benta tayo.
So yung mga iba dyan, habol kayo.
Oo, so yung mga gusto mo humabol ng bahay, we have from 50 units last week, 30 na lang ngayon. So, please do contact us. And ayan, preparing na si Baby Boy. Alam nyo, there was a time in my life na vegetarian ako. O, diba? Walang naniwala, walang nag-react. Tama yan. Yes!
Comedian ka na pala ngayon, Mare.
Ha? Hindi ako comedian.
Ay, hindi ba joke yun?
Hindi yung joke. But it's funny, no? So, there was a time that I was vegetarian. Even before I met Harold, 2 years akong vegetarian. As a matter of fact, nung naging kami na ni Baby Boy, naging vegetarian pa siya for 6 months. So ayan, I'm showing you what we are preparing. So these are some of the dishes I learned when I was still vegetarian. So what we are doing right now is we're cutting the cauliflower. So when I became vegetarian for 2 years, this became my fried chicken. Ayan. Diba? So marunong na si Baby Boy mag-prepare niyan kasi 6 months siyang naging vegetarian until such time na hindi niya naman sinabi sa akin na ayaw niya maging vegetarian. It's just that mga after 6 months in the relationship, we were eating and I cooked the food for him and he was telling me how delicious it is. And then nung tumalikod ako, akala niya tumalikod din siya, sabi niya, ganun talaga din siya niya. So ayan. So hindi na ako naging vegetarian kasi I wanted to enjoy the relationship. And the only way to truly enjoy a relationship is to also have a relationship with food. Diba? Oo, syempre. It's better in the relationship to eat each other. Gago. So ayan, a package came in the mail today. Si Mother, ano Mother? Si Mother kasi, si Mother Malu. Hi Mother. Si Mother Malu is preparing everything already. And ano to, 15 taon naging alipin ng Hapon dahil nagtrabaho siya sa Japanese restaurant. And now she's here with me. And byuda na din si Mother. Ilang years na? 3 years na. Single po si Mother. So, sumikip-sikip na ulit.
Ready to mingle.
Oo. Ready to mingle. Play with her tingle. Totoo siya. So, ano na siya? 3 years na siyang bakante, guys. So, anyway, let's open the package. So, I have the package here with me. Pinadalan ako ng Tofu Light. So, if you want to purchase also this Tofu Light, you can go to my TikTok account and purchase through the yellow basket. Ipopost ko din to sa TikTok, yung Tofu Light na to. So, let's just wait. So, after the cauliflower pala, nakalimutan ko palang nagluluto kami. So, after we slice the cauliflower, nilalagyan na namin ng breading. Ayan si Baby Boy, lalagyan niya na ng breading. Can you show them, baby? Pakita mo lang. So, we put the breading. Kayo na bahala sa breading, but for it to be easier, bahala na kayo, lagyan nyo ng crispy fry. Kung gusto nyo. That's what I also put, crispy fry. Pero if I'm feeling a little fancy, ako gumagawa ng breading using cornstarch and some spices, herbs and spices. Paano pa ba? Gusto ko magtunog social yung pagkain. Herbs and spices, you drizzle it with a little olive oil. O garlic. Wala tayong garlic. But that's how you do it. And make sure if you're planning to be vegetarian or if you're vegetarian, syempre don't put ingredients there that contains any animal-based protein or any animal-based ingredient. So check the label, mga mare. Diba yun? Check the label. Check the label, mommy. So, let's open my Tofu Light. I'm so excited about this. Ayun na siya! So cute. And there you go. My Tofu Light is here. So, pag madilim, You can start ano na. Wait lang, how do I turn this on? Ay, nakakatanga siya. Ay! Diba? Perfect. So you turn this on and it has different colors. So iba-iba yung peg natin. Tingnan na nga natin, malapitan. Ah. Scary. Yeah! Yeah!
Party!
Party! So, ayan na, ready to fry. Did you put egg? No na. Did you put egg? So, ayan, we added egg there to make it a little crispier. So, yan. So, yan na siya, ready to fry. So, marunong ka pa ba magluto niyan, Baboy? Ang tagal na natin hindi kumakain yan. Masarap yan with pinakurat. Pero wala tayong pinakurat. Masarap yan with pinakurat, pero wala na tayong pinakurat. So anyway, gagawa na lang ako ni Baby Boy ng suka. I'll show you the finished product pag na-fry na namin. So ayan na, we're about to eat. Siyempre mag-samgyupsal din kami. Siyempre dito, I only eat the ano na lang. The pork, because I love our pork.
Kasi yung sa iba nakakaon, dinipis eh. Putol-putol pa. Ano na names?
So ayan, we're eating na. So, syempre magluluto muna si Kenneth ng kanyang pork. I like our pork. I also love our pork actually. Hindi lang si Kenneth. Sorry naman Kenneth. Kung napagbintangan ka. And then we have our kimchi, paborito ni Kenneth. So kakain muna kami before we go to work. Dahil yung work namin is biglaan lagi. Sabi pala ni ate, kakain daw siya dito soon. Hindi ko lang masabi sa kanya. Pero sana mapanood niyo yung video na to, ate. Open air kami. Nakakahiya naman kung kumain ka sa ganitong restaurant. Parang hindi ko naman kaya. Baka bigla akong ipa-aircon to pag dumating siya. So we're open air and we just enjoy the rain. It's raining right now. Sarap-sarap sa feeling pag umuulan tapos kumakain, no? Tapos malamig, iba talaga. Iba din yung feeling kapag maulan, malamig, tapos nagkakainan. Yung ng food. So let's eat. I'll show you the cauliflower in a little while. So of course, we'll get rice because I love rice. This is my first rice of the day. Actually, first meal of the day namin to. Baby, kain na tayo, baby! Okay na yan. We have other food in the buffet. I'll show you na lang din. So we have yakisoba, of course. Yung sikat nating side dish. And then we also have japchae. Ito favorite to ni Kenneth, yung yakisoba. As in, baliw siya dyan. And then potato marbles, of course. Our tteokbokki with fish cake and our pickled cucumber with spices. So kakaiba yung pickled cucumber namin dito. For some, it's just ordinary, but for ours, our version of the pickled cucumber, masarap siya. I-close lang natin. And then dito, you have the lettuce here, of course. And yung mga yellow radish, I like this. Tsaka yung favorite ko dito, yung aming cabbage na shredded. Ito lagi kong kinakain. It has roasted sesame dressing. So, I'll get one pickled radish. So, let's eat. Tara. Andyan na yung ating cauliflower, which I will let Kenneth try. So, ito na nga ang aking favorite na cauliflower. Can you see it? O, diba? Para siyang fried chicken. So, we breaded it, and then after we breaded it, kayo na nga bahala sa breading. If you want to do it the easy way, go for magic for crispy fry. But if you want, you can also make your own breading. This is so yummy, guys. Lalo na with pinakurat. Sarap. Sarap. I miss. Sarap yan. Sarap. The pork, I'll eat it a little later kasi gusto ko yung pork ko sunog. Naaning-aning kami looking that way kasi we're waiting for somebody to arrive, yung isa naming client who will also be purchasing a house from us. Houses pala, sorry. Ano na? Ay, yung pinto! So, more panic. And we're here. Hi, Miss Ana. Di ba? Ang lalaki, lusog namin lahat. Naghanap pa ng parking. Ayun, Teletubbies. We're here sa Westwind. I'll show this to you soon. And more panic kami. More panic din siya. Damay-damay. Tingnan mo, paano tayong 3 little pigs? Si Miss Ana is our boss.
Hi!
Naloloka din siya kasi siya yung boss na siya yung inuutusan namin.
Super run.
Sabi ko, Miss Ana, punta ka ngayon sa sales office. Lumipad talagang aming team, literal. Mga parang condo units that is soon to rise here in Lancaster. Hala, parang may nagsisex doon sa loob, oh. Tingnan nga natin. Ay, akala ko meron. Charot. Westwind Kudasai! Ay, hindi ko nag-gets talaga yun. Pero anyway, bye madam, we're done. So this is Westwind, si baby boy. Ayan na. Si Kenneth and Madam Ana, of course. So if you want to check also, or if you'd be more than interested to check Westwind, ayan, let us know. Message nyo lang ako. I reply naman. Pero huwag naman kayo guys, mag-message na nandito na kayo. Mag-message naman kayo na papunta pa lang kayo or nagpaplano kayong pumunta. So just let me know. I'll show you. So this is the development happening soon. So it's a low-rise condo unit. So meron tayong studio, 1 bedroom, 2 bedroom, and 3 bedroom. So 4 floors lang siya, but don't you worry because may mga elevators tayo. So kung matatanong nyo, what's there sa ilalim? So those are all commercial establishments. Ang ganda ng Westwind, oh. Lakas makasosyal. Ayan. Ay, maliit lang pala yung Westwind. Tasha ka ba, te? Daliri mo lang ata, masikip mo. Masikip ka pa ba, te? Parang hindi ka na masikip, te. Ha? O, try nyo daw si Kenneth. Just dial the number below. So, malapit din siya. Of course, this is inside Lancaster. So, malapit din siya kay SM, General Trias. Soon to rise, SM General Trias. Malapit din siya sa future niyong jowa. Ay! Baka si Kenneth na yun. So, anyway, thank you for watching. I'll see you again. Bye!